Imagine a vehicle built to survive the modern battlefield while still moving fast, carrying troops, and adapting to almost any mission. That's exactly where the Joint Light Tactical Vehicle, better known as the JLTV, enters the picture. Developed to replace a large portion of the aging Humvee fleet, the JLTV is not just an upgrade, it's a complete rethink of what a light tactical military vehicle should be in the 21st century. The story of the JLTV begins with lessons learned from Iraq and Afghanistan. The Humvee was originally designed as a light utility vehicle, but over time it was forced into roles it was never meant for. As threats like roadside bombs and improvised explosive devices became more common, Humvees were up-armored, making them heavier, slower, and less reliable. The U.S. military needed something new, something that could balance protection, mobility, and payload from the ground up. That need gave birth to the JLTV program. After a long and competitive development process, Oshkosh Defense emerged as the primary manufacturer. Their design focused on survivability without sacrificing performance. The result was a vehicle that sits between a traditional light vehicle and a mine-resistant armored platform, offering the best of both worlds. The JLTV provides significantly more protection than a Humvee while being far lighter and more agile than an MRAP. One of the most impressive aspects of the JLTV is its armor system. Instead of permanently bolting on heavy armor, the JLTV uses a modular armor approach. This means commanders can adjust the level of protection based on mission requirements. For high-threat environments, additional armor kits can be installed. For lower-risk missions, the vehicle can be kept lighter, improving speed and fuel efficiency. This flexibility is crucial in modern warfare, where mission profiles can change rapidly. Under the hood, the JLTV is powered by a robust diesel engine designed to deliver strong performance even under heavy loads. Combined with an advanced transmission system, the vehicle maintains excellent acceleration and off-road capability. Whether it's navigating rough desert terrain, muddy roads, steep inclines, or urban rubble, the JLTV is built to keep moving. Mobility was a top priority in its design, ensuring troops can get where they need to go without delay. Another standout feature is Oshkosh's Torque-4i intelligent independent suspension system. This advanced suspension allows each wheel to move independently, improving stability and ride quality over uneven terrain. It also gives the JLTV adjustable ride height, which can be raised for off-road clearance or lowered for easier transport and loading. This system not only enhances comfort for the crew but also reduces fatigue during long missions, which can make a real difference in combat effectiveness. Inside the vehicle, the JLTV is designed with both protection and usability in mind. The crew compartment is reinforced to withstand blasts and ballistic threats, while the layout ensures soldiers can operate equipment efficiently. Blast-resistant seats, improved visibility, and modern communication systems all contribute to situational awareness and crew survivability. The interior may not be luxurious, but it is purpose-built for warfighting and operational efficiency. The JLTV comes in multiple variants to support different roles. There are combat tactical variants designed to carry weapon systems, as well as utility versions focused on transport and support missions. Some JLTVs are equipped with remote weapon stations, allowing operators to engage targets from inside the vehicle using machine guns or automatic grenade launchers. This capability significantly reduces the risk to personnel during combat operations. What truly sets the JLTV apart is how it integrates into a networked battlefield. Modern military operations rely heavily on data, communication, and coordination. The JLTV is designed to accommodate advanced electronics, sensors, and command and control systems. This makes it not just a transport vehicle, but a mobile node in a larger combat network, capable of supporting reconnaissance, command, and fire support roles. From a logistical perspective, the JLTV also offers long-term advantages. Its design emphasizes durability and maintainability, reducing downtime and maintenance costs compared to older platforms. Common components and modular systems make repairs easier in the field, which is critical during extended deployments. Over time, this translates into better readiness and lower overall operating costs for the military. The U.S. Army and Marine Corps have both adopted the JLTV as a key part of their ground vehicle fleets. For the Marines, in particular, the JLTV provides a more deployable and versatile option that fits well with expeditionary operations. It can be transported by aircraft, ships, and landing craft, allowing it to support rapid response forces around the world. Beyond the United States, the JLTV has attracted international interest. Several allied nations have selected or are evaluating the JLTV to modernize their own light vehicle fleets. This global adoption highlights the vehicle's adaptability and the trust placed in its design. As coalition operations become more common, having interoperable platforms like the JLTV improves coordination and effectiveness among allied forces. In real-world use, the JLTV has demonstrated its value during training exercises and deployments. Soldiers often highlight its improved protection compared to the Humvee, especially against mines and roadside bombs. At the same time, they appreciate its mobility and handling, which make it feel more responsive and capable in challenging environments. This balance of safety and performance is exactly what the JLTV was designed to achieve. Looking toward the future, the JLTV platform is expected to continue evolving. As new technologies emerge, such as hybrid power systems, advanced sensors, and autonomous capabilities, the JLTV's modular design makes it easier to integrate upgrades. This ensures the vehicle remains relevant for decades, adapting to new threats and mission requirements without needing a complete redesign. In many ways, the JLTV represents a shift in military vehicle philosophy. Instead of choosing between protection and mobility, it proves that both can coexist when a vehicle is designed correctly from the start. It acknowledges the realities of modern warfare, where even rear-area vehicles can face serious threats, and responds with a platform that prioritizes soldier survivability without compromising operational effectiveness. For military enthusiasts and defense analysts, the JLTV is a fascinating example of how experience shapes innovation. Every aspect of the vehicle reflects lessons learned from past conflicts, combined with modern engineering solutions. It's not flashy for the sake of being flashy. It's practical, rugged, and mission-focused, which is exactly what frontline troops need. As the JLTV continues to replace older vehicles across the U.S. military and beyond, it is set to become a familiar sight on bases, training grounds, and operational theaters worldwide. Its presence signals a commitment to protecting soldiers while giving them the tools they need to succeed in complex and dangerous environments. In the end, the Joint Light Tactical Vehicle is more than just a new truck. It's a symbol of adaptation, resilience, and forward-thinking in military design. By bridging the gap between light utility vehicles and heavily armored platforms, the JLTV has carved out a crucial role on the modern battlefield, one that will only grow in importance as warfare continues to evolve.